What's up guys, Bataha here, and we're just chilling in my garage. This thing needs a tune-up, bad. We got this. The head of that bolt broke off. You see it would be like that, and I lost one of my bushings out of the side, so I bought this. And this should be able to squeeze in there. And then I also bought this new bolt, which I hope this fits. I gotta tune the carb, but it kind of sucks because the only way to tune the carb is like, it might be a little hard to see, but you see right next to this thing right there, that one, that's where your adjustment screw is. I'm also going to swap the spark plug on this thing and just see what it looks like. I haven't even changed the spark plug since I've gotten this bike, so I think it's been a good, I don't know, 7 or 8 months. This plastic's kind of just falling off. I'm going to figure out a thing for that. I also put on this breakaway lever for the brake, because I know I was kind of putting that off, but I just sanded this down. Fits, it works nice. Same with this one, that one's good. Hey, I know I haven't made a pit bike adventure in a while. It's been like, I don't know, probably like a month and a half since I've made the last one. So I'm gonna come at y'all with another pit bike adventure after I get this thing tuned up, and we should be up and rolling soon. Let's do this thing, man. I ain't sitting around no more. Yeah, don't worry, I've done this like 100 times, so I already know the drill. But now we got another problem. I guess this is your bushing or something. That don't really look like a bushing to me. Here's my other one. So yeah, that's ain't even gonna fit in here. Yeah, I think I got the wrong thing. Like that looks like a bushing right there. Got him. Bolt is somewhat in. Now we gotta fix this side. He's looking like a turd over here. Bro, I don't even know what I was thinking. I just bumped the part. I'm like, oh, on that side it looks like it's just missing that. You don't have that, but nah. We got the complete wrong thing. So yeah, we got screwed again. At least we got the new bolt in. Here's what it's supposed to look like with that bolt and this thing around that. So I guess I'm gonna wait for that in the mail. Your boy's an idiot, I'll just say that. We definitely got the wrong thing. I don't even know what the heck that is. That's like for some other bike or something, or some Chinese part. But I thought it was gonna work and it ain't. I will be buying the right part for this. I'll put that on and then I'll tune it. So we'll see y'all in another week, bro. Yeah, people ain't gonna be happy and I ain't happy either, but it is what it is, so yeah. Oh yeah, I just wanted to show y'all something. Check out this bolt. Can you see the problem here? Alright, what's up guys? We got the right part. These are the bushings I bought. 4 of these bushings for about $10 off of Amazon. And sorry, this might be a little hard to see, but take that off. Covers up the hole and holds the bolts out fine. Let me show you the other side. You can see that's kind of what I'm trying to talk about. Might be a little hard to see, but so that should work just fine. There it is. We should be looking good. I'm gonna stick back on my rear tire now. Guys, I don't even know what to tell y'all anymore, bro. Like, literally, this is ridiculous. I don't even know how to explain it. So guess what? I'm putting my tire back on, and I was having a little trouble getting it through, so I take my hammer. I tap the bolt on the side to get it through. My bearing literally pops out, and it just rolls on the garage floor. So I don't even know where my bearing is, bro. It's like somewhere, like, I don't even know. I think I heard it back there, but I looked all in the back for like 10 minutes, and I couldn't even find it. So I was like, well, I'll just use one of the, like, old go-kart bearings that was kind of fine. Until I could find that bearing, wherever the heck that thing went. I just wanted to see if I could tune this up. So then I'm like, alright, whatever. Let's just do this. So I go to put my nut back on, bro. And guess what? We're getting freaking cross-threaded out here. The threads are literally broken somehow. Whenever I go to put this bolt on, it like starts going in like angled. So I try to fix that, and alright guys, guess what? I fixed this thing. Pretty much I was like, alright, well, screw this bolt. So I just chopped off the end where the threads were kind of messed up, and then I literally just wrenched this bolt down with this bar as tight as I could, really. You can see, look at that, there's like some metal flying off. But this thing's on there. Spins nice. It's good. I actually ended up finding the bearing that I lost. It was like behind this little like bag, like on the far side. Somehow it got all the way back there, but I found it, stuck it back in. It's good. Like, finally, bro, I didn't mess something up when trying to fix, or well, I did, but then I fixed it. This swing arm and the bushing's looking nice. I just gotta get up in here on this carburetor. Just ordered my air filter. I'll get that in, but I just gotta get up in here. Alright, so we were out. The screw was pretty much out. It was like 3.5 turns. I went all the way in and I turned it out too, so 2 full turns. So we'll see how that is. I really don't want to have to take this thing off again. It's kind of a pain, but if we have to, we have to. So yeah, I'm gonna put this thing back on now. Done. Oh my goodness, dude. Carb is tuned. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at this. Let me get into the light a little bit better. Bro. Look at how black that spark plug is. On the end of that. It doesn't even look that bad on camera, but bro, that is literally black. Well, it's weird because maybe it was going a little rich. This thing could be running rich, so I'll probably have to take that carburetor off and tune it again. Make it better lighting. But like, really just, I think it's probably a little bit rich. I'm not gonna argue with this thing. Obviously wasn't tuned the best, so I'm not gonna lie about it. But I'm gonna tune it up really good this time because I want this thing to really perform to the best that it can. Get yourself some NACs. This really helps. Just you put it around the threads of the spark plug, so it just helps get it out a lot easier the next time you go to do it. And then this thing got freaking busted, but dielectric grease you can stick on the top of the spark plug right here, and then it pretty much helps keeps dirt out of there and out of your little what do they call it, coil. Helps keep it out of there and like transfers a little bit better. I just put a little bit of this just around the threads like that, and then screw it in and it'll spread around. Take a little bit of this like that, It's probably really hard to see, but I just dabbed a little on the end. Stick this back over. Make sure it clicks on. Good to go, man. I don't want no more problems from you. If you cause any more problems, you're gonna get yeeted. Holy cow. Let me throw on the air filter and I'll take it outside and start it. Alright guys, so I just started up the Bataha. It started up in 4 kicks on the first start, and then it kind of died, and then I did it again, and then it died. So I'm thinking it's too rich right now, because I mean, if you think about it, on the other spark plug, the old one, it was all blacked out and it was kind of rich, I guess. I really saw it was running lean before, but I definitely think it's running too rich now. So I'm just gonna do what I did before, take off the carburetor, turn it out a little more, and then we should be good on that. Okay, you probably can't see nothing but Bataha from the future. Yeah, we're looking good out here. Alright, so Pitbike adventures coming soon, and more things to come, like this. That's a little surprise for y'all. But yeah, I'm Bataha, and we'll see y'all in the next one.